Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have chocolate and raspberry bonbons. I'm gonna use 100 grams of black chocolate and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. You can use different types of chocolate. This one with 85% cocoa, I like it for a little snack. The other one for baking or cooking is just perfect. Keep in mind, higher the amount of the percent of cocoa, less sugar it has. I'm gonna break apart the chocolate in smaller pieces, and I'm already heating up water on the stove, and I'm gonna melt this chocolate on a double boiler. So I put a metal ball on top of that super hot water and I'm gonna let it melt. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. This way we're gonna have it smooth, and also it's gonna solidify at room temperature because coconut oil melts only if the temperature is above 24 Celsius. As you can see, already start to melt, and melting chocolate on a double boiler save us from burnt chocolate, because I know people that are melting it in a microwave, but if you burn the chocolate there is no turning back point. So yeah, I prefer to melt it like that on a double boiler. I'm gonna fill up now the silicone mold for my bonbons. I want a thin layer of chocolate, so I'm adding chocolate in each of the shapes, and I'm gonna move it around and turn it upside down and remove excess chocolate. That can be also scraped again and add it into the ball and melt it again, because we're gonna need more chocolate. You will see at the end of the video, on top of the raspberry filling. Then I'm gonna put this silicone mold in the fridge to solidify it. I'm scraping the excess chocolate, we're gonna need it. So let's make the raspberry filling. I'm gonna use frozen raspberries, 140 grams. You can use fresh or you can use different other fruits. I prefer raspberries. 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I'm gonna put the fruits in a pot and on the stove. Let them defrost and also smoosh them a bit, transform them into a puree. Super vibrant color, and I love raspberry smell. I will add sugar. I took the pot off the stove. Mix that sugar in and let it dissolve. Add now cornstarch, 1 tablespoon, and return the pot on the stove on low heat, low fire, until this becomes a thicker sauce. So back on the stove, mix in, and it's ready now. I'll take it off the stove and let it cool down, and I'm gonna put it in a piping bag. To cover the fruit filling, I'm gonna use white chocolate, and white chocolate has a higher amount of sugar. And as well, I'm gonna melt it on a double boiler, adding a bit of coconut oil over, and I also melted again the dark chocolate from the beginning of the video. I took the silicone mold from the fridge. I'm gonna fill it up with raspberry puree that is nice and cold, and using a piping bag we control the amount that we put in, and it's more clean and neat. I'm making sure that I'm cleaning any edges, and also tap a bit the silicone mold on your table to eliminate any air bubbles, and cover it with white chocolate or dark chocolate or combined. The bonbons will gonna look amazing. Tap again and pop this in the fridge until will set. A couple of hours will be okay, and after that you can keep it at room temperature. The kids will love this, and also you can control how much sugar your kids are having. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna see you here next time with another recipe. Bye bye.